Hey everyone, it's Marks here. Today we're diving into the future with 5 AI tools that are set to revolutionize content creation in 2025. We're talking next-level stuff here, AI that can write your scripts, create stunning visuals, and even produce entire videos for you. Imagine a world where content creation is faster, more efficient, and accessible to everyone. That's the promise these tools hold, and we're going to break down each one, see what they're all about, and how they can help you step up your content game. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, stick around because this is going to be good. Let's get into it. First up, we've got GPT-4, the latest and greatest version of OpenAI's language model. Now, if you've been living under a rock, GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But all you really need to know is that this thing is a beast when it comes to language. We're talking about an AI that can generate human-quality text in seconds. Need a blog post? GPT-4's got you. How about a script for your next YouTube video? No problem. It can even write poems, code, and even musical pieces. But here's the thing that really sets GPT-4 apart. It's not just about generating random words. This AI understands context, tone, and even your writing style. That means you can feed it some basic information and it'll spit out something that sounds like you actually wrote it. Think about the possibilities here. Imagine being able to create high-quality content at scale without spending hours agonizing over every word. That's the power of GPT-4. It's like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips 24/7. And the best part? GPT-4 is constantly learning and improving. As more data gets fed into it, it's only going to get better at what it does. This means the content it generates will become even more nuanced, creative, and indistinguishable from human-written text. So, if you're serious about content creation, you need to get familiar with GPT-4. It's a game changer, and it's only going to become more powerful in the years to come. Trust me, this is one AI tool you don't want to sleep on. Next up, we're jumping into the world of AI-powered image generation with DALL-E 3. This thing is straight out of science fiction, folks. Basically, you give DALL-E 3 a text description of what you want to see, and it creates a unique image based on your words. Want a photorealistic picture of a cat wearing a monocle riding a unicycle on the moon? DALL-E 3 can do that. Need an abstract painting that evokes feelings of joy and wonder? DALL-E 3 can handle that too. The possibilities are literally limited only by your imagination. But it's not just about creating cool images for the fun of it. DALL-E 3 has huge implications for content creators. Imagine being able to generate custom visuals for your blog posts, social media, or even your website, without needing any design skills whatsoever. That's the power of DALL-E 3. It democratizes design and makes high-quality visuals accessible to everyone. No more spending hours searching for the perfect stock photo or shelling out big bucks for custom graphics. And just like GPT-4, DALL-E 3 is constantly learning and evolving. As it's exposed to more data, it gets better at understanding complex concepts and generating even more realistic and creative images. This means that in the future, we can expect to see even more mind-blowing visuals coming from DALL-E 3. We're talking photorealistic 3D models, complex scenes with multiple characters and objects, and even entire virtual worlds created from scratch, all based on simple text descriptions. So, if you're looking for a way to take your visual content to the next level, DALL-E 3 is the tool for you. It's powerful, intuitive, and it's only going to get better with time. Chapter 3. Synthesia, your AI video production crew. Now let's talk about Synthesia, the AI-powered video creation platform that's changing the game for content creators everywhere. Imagine being able to create professional-looking videos without ever having to pick up a camera, hire actors, or even leave your desk. That's the power of Synthesia. With Synthesia, you can choose from a library of AI avatars, each with their own unique look and voice. You can even create your own custom avatar that looks just like you. Once you've got your avatar, simply type in your script, choose your background, and hit render. Synthesia takes care of the rest, using its AI magic to generate realistic facial expressions, lip movements, and even body language. The result? High-quality video content that looks and sounds like it was created by a professional production team. But here's the real kicker. Synthesia makes video creation incredibly fast and affordable. We're talking about creating videos in minutes, not days or weeks, and at a fraction of the cost of traditional video production. This opens up a world of possibilities for content creators of all levels. Now, anyone can create engaging video content for their website, social media, or even online courses without breaking the bank or spending countless hours learning complex video editing software. And just like the other AI tools we've talked about, Synthesia is constantly being updated and improved. We're talking about new avatars, languages, and features being added all the time. So if you've been putting off video creation because it seems too complicated or expensive, Synthesia is here to change your mind. It's the future of video production, and it's available right now. Chapter 4. Jasper AI, the AI writing assistant you never knew you needed. Let's face it, writing can be tough. Sometimes the words just don't flow, and you find yourself staring at a blank page for hours on end. That's where Jasper AI comes in. Think of Jasper as your AI writing partner, always there to help you brainstorm ideas, overcome writer's block, and create high-quality content with ease. Whether you're writing a blog post, an ad copy, or even a novel, Jasper can help you every step of the way. It's like having a personal editor and writing coach all rolled into one, available 24/7 to help you take your writing to the next level. But Jasper is more than just a grammar checker or a thesaurus on steroids. It uses the power of AI to understand the context of your writing and suggest relevant ideas, arguments, and even entire paragraphs. It's like having a brainstorming partner who always knows exactly what to say to get your creative juices flowing. And the best part? Jasper is incredibly easy to use. Simply type in your topic, and Jasper will generate a list of ideas and outlines to get you started. From there, you can start writing, and Jasper will be there every step of the way, offering suggestions, correcting grammar, and even helping you optimize your content for SEO. With Jasper, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a world of effortless content creation. It's the perfect tool for bloggers, marketers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to write faster, smarter, and more effectively. So if you're ready to unlock your true writing potential, give Jasper AI a try. You won't be disappointed. Chapter 5. Lumen 5. Turning words into engaging videos in a flash. Finally, let's talk about Lumen 5, the AI-powered video creation platform that makes repurposing your content a breeze. Ever wished you could turn your blog posts, articles, or even social media updates into engaging videos? Well, now you can with Lumen 5. This intuitive platform takes your existing content and transforms it into stunning videos, complete with music, visuals, and even voiceovers. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors and more AI-powered awesomeness. Here's how it works. Simply paste your blog post or article into Lumen 5, and the platform's AI will automatically analyze your content and suggest relevant visuals, music tracks, and even video templates. You can then customize every aspect of your video, from the font and colors to the transitions and animations. Lumen 5 also offers a library of millions of royalty-free images and videos that you can use to enhance your creations. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even upload your own media files to create truly unique and personalized videos. But the best part about Lumen 5 is how incredibly easy it is to use. Even if you've never created a video before, you can create professional-looking videos in minutes. It's the perfect tool for bloggers, marketers, and businesses of all sizes who want to expand their reach and engage their audience with video content. So, if you're looking for a way to breathe new life into your existing content and reach a wider audience, Lumen 5 is the tool for you. It's fast, affordable, and it makes video creation accessible to everyone. So there you have it, folks. 5 AI tools that are poised to revolutionize the way we create content in 2025 and beyond. From generating human-quality text and stunning visuals to producing entire videos with just a few clicks, these tools are empowering creators of all levels to produce higher quality content, faster and more efficiently than ever before. The best part? This is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance at a breakneck pace, we can expect to see even more innovative and powerful tools emerge in the years to come, further blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. So, embrace the future of content creation. Experiment with these incredible AI tools and see what amazing things you can create. The possibilities are truly limitless.